Hello everyone, welcome to Bio Learning Point and I am with you, Priya Misra. So in this video, I will be discussing about how much time will it take to release this scorecard and cutoff and how CSIR will take to publish revised answer key. So both things I will discuss. So let's start our video. So first of all, the provisional answer key has been released by the CSIR and I hope has you all have challenged the final provisional answer key, and so many corrections are there, I think, and so many questions have you already claimed in shift 1 and shift 2. So there will be a huge difference between your marks between provisional answer based on the provisional answer key which you have already calculated, and when the final answer key will release, then when you will calculate your marks according to final answer key, so it will fluctuate. I think 10 to 15 marks will fluctuate, so this is a huge difference, I think. So let us wait for the final answer key, then clear things will come to know how much it will what will be the cutoff, and if someone is scoring suppose that 110 marks, and there will change in question, suppose that 2 or 3 questions they are correct in part C, so the marks will be there at 15 marks. If 3 questions will change in final answer key, that will correct up there according to the provisional answer key, so 15 marks will add, so their marks will be 125. So you are relating the things, how much there are fluctuations between the provisional and final answer key. So the claimed period was over, and you have already claimed till yesterday. You had to claimed about your provisional answer key, and I think this time the CSIR gave so many wrong answer, and there are so paper was very much messy type. That means one research paper are saying these things are correct, and other is saying not, these things is not correct, so 50-50 chance are there. So basically it will take approx 1 month to release the final answer key along with the scorecard and cutoff. So at the same time, when the final answer key will release by the next day or the same day, they will release the scorecard. Generally, they release a scorecard after releasing the revised answer key within 24 hours, but sometimes it will take time, and I am talking in last attempt in CSIR, they release after 2 to 3 days. So these things happen sometimes, so it depends on the situation, it depends on the things what is happening. So probably when in 20 days later, today is 4th, so there is a Deepavali holidays the 4th week of October. So if they aren't able to release before Deepavali, then there is a holidays, and 2 to 3 days, that is holidays and Saturday, Sunday, all that. So they might be released in first week of November. The final answer key and scorecard will also release at the same time. That will be your final result, and when they release a scorecard, then final answer key will come, and then they will release your roll number, who is qualified or not. So when they release a scorecard, when they release final answer key at the same time, and within the 24 hours they release a scorecard after releasing the final answer key, and after that 5 to 6 days, 10 days later, they will release the list of the roll number and cutoff key that candidates has already qualified, or your roll number is included in the PDF, then you will able to qualify, and you are qualified that examination. So that is the thing only, and I think you are relating the thing what I am trying to say, because they will take a lot. They will you as you say so exam was over in 17, and the provisional answer key they released after more than 10 days. So we can't predict. Generally they release the provisional answer key within 4 to 5 days, but this time they took more time to release the provisional answer key. They might release the final answer key according to the exam date, and generally after the exam date 1 month time is sufficient to release the final answer key. But this time so many questions has claimed this question, when there are lots of questions are claiming by the students. So in analysis of that questions, so many things are happened. They analyze the things which you have attached that research paper or things. Then after analyzation, a team will work on that, what will happen, the correct, what will be the correct answer, and what is the things. Then they finalize the final answer key, so it will take time. So I hope the things you are relating, and according to these things, when the next CSIR examination will happen, so I will tell you in our next video. So many of you are disappointed